Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create a moving profile photo on CapCut. So make sure the photo that you have up is like a green screen, and then you're just going to click on the photo, go to Chroma key, select the green part and adjust the intensity like so. Then you are going to select a video by pressing the plus button here. And I'm just going to select a video like so. Press add. Then I'm just going to select the first clip and choose the overlay button. And then on the first clip, I'm just going to make it smaller so you can see the sort of video. Like so. I'm just going to split it and find the smaller portion so you can see it better. Oh, like that. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!